And again, hello everybody. Thank you so much for being here. This is our elevator pitch competition. Really excited to meet everyone and hear your pitches. Please raise your Zoom hand. I'll call you in the order I see you. When you're called upon, please, if you like, be on camera and then share with us your name, where you join us from, as well as the problem you're working on and the solution. It is 1 minute audio only. And we are keeping track of the time. So try to stay on time. I appreciate it. And we should be able to get through everyone within the first hour that we have here. So let's get started. Our first speaker is Camilla.
Hi, I'm Camilla. I'm a three-time founder from Sweden, and our company Go for Loyal is based in Estonia, actually. You know, the new EU regulations such as CSRD now requires company in travel and hospitality industry to report Scope 3 emissions. But in reality, that data is not available when bookings are made. So today, travel emissions are calculated 30 to 60 days after the trip. Companies can report, but they can't act. And that creates a loss of control in a trillion-dollar industry. So my co-founders and I built a real-time CO2 layer embedded directly into travel booking flows. When someone searches for flight, transportation, or hotel, emissions are calculated instantly. Our secret is simple. We are not a reporting tool, we are an infrastructure. Alongside our own AI-driven booking layer that personalizes choices based on emission and user preferences, we offer standalone API that travel companies can integrate with. Emissions can't be reported long after bookings, not if we want a smarter and more informed decisions made for the future of the world. Thank you.
Thank you. Our next speaker is Arjun Kumar.
Thank you for having me. My name is Arjun, based in Montreal, Canada. So we have a big flex for grocery stores, especially leafy greens and fruit fruits. We really see the half of its repeating.
Arjun, hold on a second. Your audio is really, really bad. I'm going to come back to you. Please fix your audio and I'll come back to you. Olga, please.
Hi everyone, I'm Olga from OpenHolt. We represent Poland and Estonia, and actually my problem is about next thing. I grew up in a family affected by addiction. What I remember most isn't the addiction, it's the science around it. People judged instead of helping. Over 300 million people struggle with addictions, and it could be anyone. They're they're successful, socially active, and with families and careers. We are building OpenHolt, an anonymous platform with two sides. First, for people dealing with addictions and for their families, we offer community and professional support without judgment. And second, for the therapists, we provide different tools, include AI, to run their practice online and reach new clients. Users pay subscriptions, therapists pay fees, rehab centers partner with us.
All right, thank you. Next, Ishan, if I'm pronouncing it correctly.
Yeah, Ishan, it is. Hi,
All right.
everyone. I'm Ishan Dan. I'm the founder and CEO of RegenX in Australia. We've built an investment platform that makes it easy for people to invest in clean energy projects. Now, I want you to imagine for a second you're an investor who really cares about the planet and you want your money to create a positive impact. The problem is investing in clean energy projects isn't easy. Most of the best opportunities are only available to large institutions or wealthy investors, and often they require huge minimums just to get involved. I experienced this frustration firsthand while I was working as a wealth manager. That's the problem that Regenex solves. We help turn clean energy projects into smaller, more affordable investment opportunities that are easy to access. If this resonates with you, help us build a future where every dollar drives real change. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, Keith, please.
Hello, everybody. My name's Keith Bush. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Dicon LLC. We're a quantum computing software company in Austin, Texas. The big problem we're looking to solve is the adaptability and flexibility in robotics. Currently, there's tons of hardware out there that is working well, but the software is not great. Doesn't have the ability to act to randomness and flexibility. We've developed a self-contained quantum learning model that not only can adapt, but also training speeds are very short and has the adaptability to learn by itself as we're looking to pick up objects, very unique objects. We're currently raising our pre-seed of $1.7 million.
Thank you. Andrew, please.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. I'm Andrew, founder and CEO of Launch Bio, located in Toronto, Canada. Today, pharmaceutical, biotech, and dairy companies are facing two major problems. First, costly disposal of their organic waste. And second, EPR fees and restrictions related to the petroleum plastics. And overall, this represents a total addressable market of over $100 billion globally. At Launch, we solve both of these problems with one platform, converting waste such as yeast waste from farmer production or dairy waste into a high-performance compostable bioplastic that is a drop-in replacement for petroleum plastics. We've seen incredible traction with this approach and are currently running a large-scale pilot project with one of the world's largest pharmaceutical companies, Novo Nordisk, where we're upcycling yeast waste from insulin production into home compostable pill bottles for product packaging. At Launch, we're creating the next generation of circular materials while building a more sustainable future. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you. Let's continue on. And next person presenting is Miranda.
Hello. I'm joining from Albania, where I'm participating in Founder Games, which is a reality show for startups. Originally, I'm from Georgia, and I'm founder and CEO of Virtual Story Startup. We're solving problem of declining education amongst young generations. Their cognitive skills are really low. This is mostly due to excessive passive screen time. And Virtual Story is turning passive screen time into interactive, educational, gamified experience where children have fun while learning and also helps them develop creativity, critical thinking, and literacy. We have already tested over 30,000 users. So we have early revenue with B2C and B2B side. We are cooperating with educational and publishing companies on European and US market, as well as Georgian market. And yeah, we are ready to scale and raise further. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Christina, please.
Hi, good afternoon from Spain. I'm Cristina, CEO and co-founder of Usynchro. After being working in logistics 23 years, I decided to pass into the dark side of technology, building a SaaS platform to synchronize global trade. You know, the main problem is that now geopolitics and logistics are super complicated, even the tax and duties that are changing every time. So we have designed a technical platform that by using blockchain and artificial intelligence, streamline the process of moving goods around the world. The platform is multimodal, is neutral. We have been working for more than 5 years right now. We have an ERR of 300,000 and we are in our pre-Series A. So building with you, this program will be perfect for us. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Okay, next we have Rufus.
I'm Rufus. I'm joining you from Nairobi, Kenya. I'm the founder and CEO of Tip Africa, and globally, live streaming is exploding. Creator economy is growing all over the world, and Africa is no different. In the continent, Kenya has the fastest growing internet users in the world, and Kenya is at the center of that. Kenyan creators are streaming every day and are building real audiences, but their fans want a way to support them financially, but there's no way to do it. The global streaming tools like Stream Elements and Streamlabs don't support M-Pesa, which is the main way 50 million Kenyans transact their money. Our solution is Nitip, which is a streaming companion built for African creators. A QR code sits on your screen and your fans scan and M-Pesa and the tip lands in a creator phone within seconds. We have 50 creators already and we've processed 100K so far. We started 6 months ago. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, let's go to Polygraph AI, I guess.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vignesh Karambaya, and I'm the CEO and co-founder at Polygraph AI. We're an AI security and governance company headquartered in Austin. And what we do is we help enterprises, government agencies, and regulated agencies adopt AI safely. Now, the problem that we're solving is that now that AI is embedded across everyday workflows, from copilots to chatbots and meeting assistants and internal tools, employees can very easily expose confidential data, regulated information, or even customer records before security teams ever see the risk. Now, we solve this with an AI behavioral control plane that sits between users, agents, and AI systems and enforces data policies in real time before any sensitive data is exposed. We use proprietary task-specific, energy-efficient small language models, and we detect and block sensitive information, prevent prompt injections, and create audit-ready compliance records. Thank you.
All right, thank you. You guys are all doing great, finishing right on time. I love it. All right, Nick, please.
Hi, I'm Nick Zhukov. I'm CTO and co-founder of SpeakUp, Dubai-based AI matching app for the global speaking economy. Every day, thousands of conference, podcasts, and media are searching for a right expert to speak, and we can find them. Process is broken. LinkedIn direct mails, Google search, agencies will charge 20% commission on every activity. There is no LinkedIn for speakers, no infrastructure for 30 billion industry. SpeakUp fix this. We are doing AI matching app, organized post requests, and our AI matching with requests with dedicated speakers just in seconds and selecting best one, communicate and build contracts. Just subscription, no any commission. We launched a year ago, and today we already onboarded 100,000 users in 28 countries and 47,000 successful matches. We launched paid subscription 10 days ago and already started with 529 ARR. We are not an hour tool, we are just an infrastructure layer for expert economy. Thank you.
Thank you. Next person is Jessica, please.
Can you hear me?
Yes, go ahead.
Hi, I'm Jessica Reed, CEO of Diapin Therapeutics. We develop new drugs for cardiovascular diseases to help save patients' lives. What if your life was suddenly cut short by a heart attack or stroke? This happens to 20 million people every year, 55,000 people each day. Someone dies from cardiovascular disease every 1.6 seconds. Many of these deaths are premature and preventable. Our solution at Diapin Therapeutics is 2 drugs. Our lead drug prevents clots, heart attacks, and strokes, and our second drug treats metabolic diseases and atherosclerosis. Our drugs are significantly better than the competition with fewer side effects, fewer drug interactions, and lower risks. Our team has many decades of cardiovascular drug development expertise, and we've worked on many approved and successful drugs. We're asking for 7.5 million in a seed round and have 3 million committed to date. Thanks very much, and please consider and invest in us.
Thank you. All right. Is it Lakana? Am I saying it correctly?
Yeah.
Go for it.
Hello, yeah. Can I start?
Yes.
Hello, everyone. My name is Lakina, a co-founder of Salma, based in Switzerland. And we position our company as the quantum portfolio optimizer, not traditional optimizer, nor robo-advisors, because these competitors have some problems, including complexity and non-flexibility. For example, traditional optimizer are overly complex for the user because they require users to predefine the investment universe, while robo-advisors limit only to one financial instrument ETF. So we provide new solutions that leverage quantum computing technology that are capable to automate the investment universe and then accept multiple financial instruments. It's very simple, just like give us the ingredients and then I can cook for you. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Borg, please.
Hello everyone, my name is Borik Enos from Kenya. I'm the co-founder of Synapse Technology. Synapse is named after synapse, the connection between neurons where signals either fires or dies. And most people want to build Africa, often leave Africa. And we saw that opportunity and built one. We are a 7 student-founded software startup operating within Nairobi, where we build world-class technologies for problems that are often overlooked. And we have our first flagship product that is going to be launched this week called EduLink KE that aims to streamline the internship and attachment platform. And we also have 2 other products in development. MediRemind, that's a medication adherence platform, and also Synapse Pay, that is also a fintech product. Thank you.
Thank you. Stop this. Okay. Next, we have Eugene.
Hello there, my name is Eugene from Kenya too, and we're building Atlas Sanctum, which is the operating system for a regenerative civilization. We combine AI, blockchain, ecological intelligence, and decentralized finance to help communities, governments, and organizations coordinate restoration at planetary scale. We are like a fusion of mission control, regenerative finance, and ethical AI infrastructure where ecosystems, communities, and economies are managed as living systems instead of extractive ones. Our platform powers command centers for public health, climate resilience, infrastructure, governance, and community coordination, starting in Africa and scaling globally. At our core is the RVE, which is a new economic layer where value is tied not just to profit, but to restored ecosystems, resilient communities, and measurable impact. Our vision is simple: to build the infrastructure for a civilization that can heal itself. Thank you.
Thank you. Q Sensing, if I'm saying it correctly?
Yeah, perfect.
Go for it. All right.
Yeah. As Lord Kelvin famously said, only what gets measured may be improved. Today, we are failing to measure global health crisis, PFAS, the so-called forever chemicals. This is a family of over 7 million compounds. With the current gold standard, we detect just 20 of them. At Qubit.team, the first Spanish and one of the 15 European quantum sensing deep tech, we make the unseen seen. We are moving the quantum technology out of the lab and into the field with our patented quantum sensor. By using the fundamental properties of matter, we don't just detect, we decode chemical signatures at the staggering parts per trillion precision. This equals to detecting a drop of this class in an Olympic swimming pool. The market has responded. Last year, we achieved 5x5 revenue scale up, being profitable. And we are the first quantum certified B Corp worldwide, on a mission to become one of the main agents in quantum sensing to solve humanity's greatest challenge. Join us on this quantum sensing revolution.
All right, thank you. All right, Kazim, please.
Can you hear me?
Yes, go ahead.
All right. Hi guys, I'm Kazim. I am the co-founder and CEO of Hamrahi. So Hamrahi is basically a discovery marketplace for tours and experiences. So here travelers can just find, follow, and book in one place. But the problem is that inspiration is trapped in one application and booking is another. Travelers usually discover stuff on social media, on TikTok or Instagram. They usually save it, share it with their friends, and more often they just forget about it. So it kills conversion, and it, of course, it bruises intent. From the supplier side, suppliers are the core engine of any OTA online travel agency, but there's no visibility for their brand. There's no control over their customers. What we are doing is we are bringing discovery and booking into one platform. So we're giving suppliers a storefront where they can just aggregate their products, their reviews, and their media in one unique URL, which is customizable, and they own that product. And from the supplier and from the customer point of view, there's a Hamrahi feed, which is basically an Instagram-like feed where suppliers content is auto published, and travelers can scroll and get inspired and book in one place. Thank you. On point.
All right, thank you. And 1 minute goes by fast, doesn't it? All right, Amir, please.
Hi, Baby. So PathPulse AI, it turns everyday vehicles into a decentralized urban intelligence network. So that takes place using just a simple smartphone. Any driver using our proprietary on-device AI, it detects violations, road hazards, mobility patterns, and so on and so forth, without any external expensive hardware or infrastructure. We've currently conducted 5 government pilots. We have over 80,000 drivers onboarded, and we've captured over $60 million worth of violations till date. And we're currently live and have users in 25 plus countries. Yeah, that's it from our side.
All right, thank you. Arjun.
Yeah, is my audio better now? Can you hear me?
Not really. No. No.
So should I?
Get closer to your mic. You're cutting out. Say something.
Hello, hello.
Yeah,
Vidma
go ahead.
Agrotech.
Go ahead.
Yeah, so I'm based in Montreal. One of the biggest problems, biggest motivations to buy fresh food is for the nutrition. But by the time you get the fresh food, you only receive about half its nutrition. But this is only a part of the picture. Spinach, for example, can lose 90% of its vitamin C within 2 days after harvest. And on average, in US and Canada, we receive our fresh vegetables 2 weeks after its harvest. Another massive problem is waste. About half, 45% of wasted, and the majority of it is wasted before purchase. We develop modular greenhouse vending machines automated from seed to harvest and packaging. The customer will walk into our greenhouse, use the touchscreen, and instantly on demand, fresh produce will be harvested, packaged, and delivered to the consumer.
All right, thank you. Okay, next we have Jonas, if I'm saying it correctly.
Yeah, you get it right.
I'll go for it.
Yeah. My name is Yunus Ajibi from Minnesota, US. I'm a founder of AIDS Initiative LLC, data analytics, cybersecurity, and consulting firm serving the government and for mission-driven organization. The problem we are facing is the government, the federal agencies, the organization are facing huge growing cyber theft, fragmented data, and detect a lot of risks early stage. Our solution is to build a cyber shield analytics suite, AI power, cybersecurity and analytic platform that help agency detect threat early stage, assess risks, and make faster data-driven decision. And we are in the business to bring more investors to come and get the product off the shelf. We're requesting a 5 million for that. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Okay, next we have Demihi, if I'm saying it correctly, or is it Demiji? I'm not sure.
Thank you very much for having me here. My name is Dimeji Oderinde, and I'm the co-founder for CG Sabet Limited. I also double as a project manager for all that we do at CG Sabet Limited. What are we building? It's an e-commerce platform. The name is Shopipop. 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 IPOP, Shopipop, yeah? At the moment, the website is ready, the mobile app is ready. We're currently, very close to the end of building the iOS app. We're ready to launch. And I am in the UK, but the business is for Africa, specifically Lagos, Nigeria. What are we looking at? £20,000. And we have 6,600 for branding and marketing, office renting and setup 10,400, and for 6 months salary for the first staffs that will be starting is £3,000. That's what we're looking for. Please join us and invest. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Stop. All right, Felix, please.
All right, my name is Felix. We develop a artificial intelligence that is not based on probabilistic like large language models, but we use a formal semantic model that's acting like a simulation, so to say. And we are targeting especially risk intense industry where decisions are on high stake. So currently you cannot trust large language models output, but with our AI solution, we can provide a validated AI that is proving the consistency of your prompts and tries to conclude it, so it doesn't hallucinate, so to say. If there is a problem unsolvable, it asks the user for specification. And so you can also tackle problems which are currently not, and we ask for 3 million funding, so to say.
All right, thank you. And last, we have Ed.
So hi, I'm Ed Pulavsky from Aucentre. I'm a founder, and we are based in San Francisco. Pest control is a $30 billion industry stuck in the past. Several billion traps for rats, mice, and other pests are still manually operated, and it makes US pest control companies waste $5 billion annually on just checking empty traps. And Aucentre, so us, is automating pest control with AI platform and smart traps. Here's one example. We are already producing it and delivering it to the first US customers, also Europe and Japan. Our goal is to have 20 million devices rented in 4 years, and we will be proceeding with the seed round next month in San Francisco. Please join us. Thank you.
Thank you. Excellent. Thank you all. Really appreciate all you participating.